Yes, my peeps. Pick up on yourself. Yeah, man. Welcome back with another one. Yes, my peeps. Yeah, man. And today we are talking about Mavado, man from the Gully. Yeah, man. I tell you, have a man that come ask him a flavor. He come beg him a flavor. Yeah, man. Now we are going to react on it and hear what he must say. Yes? But start out with about my people. Because I tell you, you really don't want to get the help, but me don't know. Mavado is a man who help people. Me not come to beat down and discourage you, brother. Because you have to try. Yes. But you never see Mavado, them a help up nobody. No positive way, no real way. Where record I know about that everybody can say, yeah, man. I'm a do this, I'm a do that, I'm a do that. Yes, we know what him do. Believe me. And as a man, we say him come from the gully. We're supposed to know the record. Believe we're not supposed to have to talk about the record. Have to move out the lifestyle. And peeps. Nah. Everybody's supposed to know. So coming to this brother now we are come. We are gonna talk and ask Mavado the flavor. Him say him do all kind of thing. Him say him build up. A good thing that. Yes. The most of you can read and write. We build up. You know say enough you beg. We should have scratch it up for a long time. Try go some school or the other and back it up. We don't know if you try that and you fail. But you know it's still in a Gully Side. Full for temptation if you try your best and it don't work. And you end up trying something else. And you end up get implicated somewhere or the other and give up. Yes. Many ways. Yeah. Yeah, man. And you should have dig all in your life and build a grassroots to hit. That's if you not get no help, you can just skill and build a foundation to hit. But this thing can go on and on and on and on and on and on and on. Ah, man. Well, never come to beat you so still, but as me a reason, I say the reasoning enough. But my father, man, I don't really help people. So we are going to look out and we are going to see. Because we really want to see help you. Yeah, man. This is a plea out. It's pleading, the brother pleading out. Pleading out to you, my father. Want to help. Yeah, man. Seems like he knew you from a all the time. Yes. So, you could have know him. You could have know him talented. Him say him have a lot of tune. But if him can write tune and him so talented, he must have a couple good ones. Especially when he just kick off fresh. Yes. Kind of talented writer, yes. When the man talk about, man have a thing about connecting up the Caribbean together with some plastic bridge thing. And when him reach at the part then now, that's how I kinda I put my brain together and I say, but me hear the brother you already, you know. Think up on Facebook or something. Yes. Yeah, man. Him talk some interesting things that I'm having in my brain. When I want to come to the light. Yeah, man. And some of them things there. In our next generation, future, we are going to need enough of those things. Because things don't stay one place. Yeah, man. So, and I'm over that alone, this plea should have out to. This plea should have out to anybody who can help him. Yes. Him a beg Mavado, but me a beg for him. thinks that anybody can help him. Yeah, man. And as he have a talent and have a drive, because them think they take a lot of drive down. Yeah, man. Yes. Not the whole team behind it. A whole heap of thing. Yes. But, you know where you go. When you have him brain and put other brain, good brain together, it's going to be crazy. Yeah, man. It's going to be crazy. Because sometimes when you think one, you can reach this. So just put everything together and make one. And you see how crazy it is. Yeah, man. There is nothing the brain can do. Yes. One can do it to put them together. No most can do it. Yeah, man. So anyway, I big up myself, my people. I will hear what I have to say. Yeah, man. No reason. I really want to say everything what I say. So, now go listen to him and hear what I have to say. Yeah, man. And check him out. Now we can help him. Not help him. Now we can pick him up, not pick him up. Now we can encourage him. They encourage him same way. Yeah, man. Now we can go far away, you never know. Yeah, man. When you see a man come out in a plea, you know, you must get something, you know. You cannot even hear the right reason behind it, make it play out. Yeah, man. So, the way I have to say. Boom. Yardman TV.
Yeah, bless up everybody, you know. See that message, I real from Mavado, you know. As a youth, I grew up on the Gully Side, as much as yourself. You see, man, say, I show most respect to you as an artist more than any other artist. I never do that video directing to you, you know. I say, yo, the word I try same way. I look at strength, my G. You say them afraid I get to you with brain. Well, me have the quickest brain in history, you see it. I mean, don't want things say that slow down right now because I can see all the airlines are recede. I know, say, age a catch up on me, you see me? Me have a lot of messages I want to portray to the world. You understand me? And me I beg some energy for rise up. Yeah, man. All of them painting I see on my page, done by me. If you type in hardly done, you find me music. Me have lots of poetry, epigram, motivational thoughts. Me can design my own clothes. You see me I say, me have novels. Me have books. Can publicize. And I just want some strength. And I just teach myself within the last year to trade and master it. So if you want to invest, me have things can invest in, you see. Me have one of the best gaming idea. Possibly better than Supreme Ventures, but me not be little nobody. I understand respect to them. Me have one design I'm head for an app. What be the most innovative app. Mavado, I prophesy from 2010 to 2030. Everything what me say, yeah, record, it depend on the Facebook page. Some might depend on the page, and some depend on my YouTube page, Lemon Black 34. John Mavado, me just need a strength for rise, you see me? Yeah, man. Single parent. I'm not struggling in a life. I'm quit my job working for people. I'm not think more work for nobody again. Because I think I have the most creative brain in history. I release a lot of ideas on the internet. Some people take them. I release more slang. So you see me? I now start claim royalty for anything yet. Like design for a parachute for plane them. Like Ukrainian use that. You understand me? I talk about when you bomb an area with extinguisher instead of water. Smart as GUN. When I hold it, it show who holding it. It show the amount of we leave back in. I don't really want to discuss that, but I tell you say, I have come up with some of my most innovative ideas. That's it. Yeah, man. I mean, say join the Caribbean together with plastic bridge, plastic tunnels. You see me I say, dual pathway. We charge go, and we charge to and from. Yes, man, say. They all upon this now, man. Me a whole heap of event organizing in my head and I ready for God, I ready for make money off fine. I just need some help. And most some ideas and try them. So I know say yo, I can do real well with them. I wanna you can use me as a writer. I possibly can write the best song in history for you. I write dozens of music put up. And I know say yo, you're possibly interested in a lot of them when I put up. That's what I say. I don't want to be forgotten. And it's like I never try. I beg your strength.
Yes,
Please.
my people. Yeah, man. Brother seems like a skill, man. Yes. We're not going nowhere. We're there. It seems skilled, though. Yeah, man. It seems skilled for real. So, hope him get the help. Mavado. Hope I reach out to him, man. Yeah, man. Brother, beg for your help. Reach out to him. Although you know normal, no say reach out. Yeah, man. Like when people lay down them life for you, you know? Like, lay down fear for them. Pick up yourself, man. Yes. I own them greedy. Pick up yourself. Yeah, man. Yardman TV, news and entertainment. Yeah, man. Catch up on another one. I have more if you want to see more like this. Check it out. Boom. I'm out.